everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Eng Teach. Today I am going to write 10 lines about importance of family. Now let's start. Number 1. A family is a social system comprising of parents and children. Number 2. It is the prime foundations of an individual's character and personality. Number 3. Family introduces us to the world and instills values and ethics. Number 4. Having a family means we can count on someone to share our problems and happiness. Since ancient time, the culture of family existed and evolved, providing us with different types and categories. Number 6. A sacred bond is embraced by the members that build their core strong and sturdy. Number 7. Such a bond becomes indivisible and indelible in the world. Number 8. Family is the unit which teaches us about the culture, traditions, and ancestry past. Number 9. It is a social institution consisting of reproductions and socializations. Number 10. It helps to maintain balance and peace in the society. That's all. If you like my video, please like and share. And if you want more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.